Hey guys, so I bought this hair. I bought the bundle. I made it into a wig, but now I don't like it. I haven't actually worn this wig before. I haven't worn it and stepped outside before, so I really want to restyle it. This is how it's looking. Look at the back. I just feel like I want to restyle it. I'm going to make it into a bang. Okay, so I'm just going to change it. Yeah, so I'm going to start styling it. This is my mannequin head. And because I want it to be in a bang, I'm just going to pull this part forward. So I'm going to use my hot comb to kind of comb this place together so that it comes together. And so that I'll be able to really have the bang that I need. It looks a little messy, but that's the process. So you can tell it is finally ready to cut. So I'll just go ahead and do my cutting somewhere here. So I'll just take my cutting from this side and then I'll hold it like that. And I come here and identify where the ears are as well. Here are the ears for this one. With the twisting method, I saw it's from the professionals. So I'm learning from the professionals. I'm not a stylist anyway. So I'm learning from the professionals. They do it like this and then they kind of cut it. I think I'll cut a little bit more. Just a little. Should I? So let me take it off from the mannequin and put this on and then really see if it's giving. So this is how it's looking. I think it's okay, right? So it was a perfect cut from the mannequin, like. So I'm going ahead to put it back on the mannequin head and then I'll style it. I'm going to trim the ends so that they don't have tiny ends like this. I'm going to trim the ends. It looks like when you hold it and twist it, it gives a kind of like a layer something. But I think I want them to be all equal, the length to be all equal, so maybe I'll just trim it down a bit. So I'll go ahead and straighten the hair. I like it, I like it. So I'll go ahead and do this for the rest of the hair. I'll be right back. So after adjusting the other side, this is how she looks like. I think I like it. I think I like it. So I'm going to wear it for you to see the outcome and how it looks on me. So here is the final look. Oh my god. This is so nice. Like, I mean, I love it. What do you think, guys? I mean, it's not giving professional stylists, but I think I love it. What do you think, guys? Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my post, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.